Hi, Dyslexic Genius here. My phone number is 864-236-1680, or you can email me at dyslexicgeniushurt@gmail.com. What I'm going to talk about is a unique Columbia phonograph motor, and the springs are were made especially for these. They're pair bent, but they're bent in a different way than a Victor, because the bend in the center, if you look at that, rides in this slot like that. And these are unique to these machines. This one has a broken spring, and on this side, this is the best repair I've seen yet, where they riveted it together. I love this. But these machines are completely unique. You don't find them very often. And you can see the workmanship just on these gears, like this.
Beautiful machining.
Beautiful, beautiful work. Look how they rivet everything down really nicely. And all the bearings that run on these gears are eccentric, which means it's not a hole, but it's offset. So you can finally adjust everything. And they run in these wonderful brass bearings. I'll get there later. But what I want to talk about is a really unique governor these have, because they have a speed control built into the governor. So the governor will not override or go faster than it should. It has a stop. Let me go to the bench. These are the governor parts of this unique Columbia machine, and it has those tiny little screws. If you lose that,
You're out of luck.
you're out of luck. What this is a speed control. The governor, we have the flywheel assembly here. This fits like that. So the governor will move back and forth. You know, it's out here, you fire it up, the machine comes back and it stops. But it stops it from going any faster than you need. And it has a little hole here. And you assemble this. And you line up the hole. And then the governor flywheel system comes in here like that. See, it'll just stop. So it'll be running and then it'll go boop, it'll stop. It's interesting too, it's early, that it has all brass weights on it. The other thing is, I've talked about the Columbia fiber gears, and this is the fiber gear on one. Beautiful condition. These are very hard to clean off. And you notice I didn't clean in here. I didn't want to touch the fiber gear. But I came in here with a really lightly damped Q-tip, and I went like this. I held it at an angle like this, so if any lacquer thinner, it went down the hole and out the bottom here, and I just scrubbed it gently with a lightly damped Q-tip in lacquer thinner, and that cleaned everything
So
up.
you don't want any lacquer thinner.
You don't
on
want
the
any
gear
lacquer
itself.
thinner, any cleaner on this gear at all, because these are fiber gear. But this, I wanted to point this out, how unique this is. And I'll be doing a complete video on the rebuild of it. And it's a lot of fun. And that's my tip for the day.